Hey, what's up guys? SymBrad again, doing another Pokemon unboxing. I'm just really into collecting these things right now. I haven't even played a game yet due to COVID, so I've been playing online, like collecting them, like organizing them. I was real big into Magic cards as well back in the day, so I'm going to try and do another unboxing. So I bought 500 Pokemon cards. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if they're all common, uncommon, whatever. I got a really good deal on these, like really good deal. So try this out. Let's see what happens. And yeah, I want to thank the person I purchased these from. On Facebook instead of eBay. I have no idea what's in here other than just the quantity. So, and see what this is. I'm hoping for some good ones. If you guys have seen my last video that I just updated, it's insane, right? Insane the value of these things. Insane, right? The value of these things. After finding out, if I would have known what they were worth when I opened them up, I'd have been freaking out a little more. So I haven't sold those yet, but I plan on putting those up. So actually, if anybody's interested in these cards, shoot me a message. Shoot me a message on YouTube, and might even give a couple away. Not like the really expensive one, but you know, might give some away. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But if you're interested in purchasing any of these, I would be more than happy to talk with you guys about it. So we'll go from there. Look there, sealed up. Huh. Very cool. So there's one. There's another one. So this actually says mix 1, mix 2. Let's check to see what's in here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Another one. And another one. I don't know what these markings mean. I mean, I'm probably the last guy that should be opening these, because I don't know what all the standings mean. I gotta try and do this really carefully. Boom. Almost stabbed myself instead of the cards. Okay. Well, let's just see what we got. It's pretty cool. A little bag like that to keep it safe. I don't know how you would fit all these in there like that without damaging the cards, but okay, I'm just gonna tear the bag apart. Let's see what we got. So these Fable. Never seen this one. Noivern. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Reverse Hollow Machoke, I'm sorry. Psyduck. And that's a hollow Psyduck, it looks like, from Pikachu. Zero, Grimer, Cosmog, Nidorina. File. It's a little too dark now. Let's try that. Voltorb. Litten. Baggin. Electrite. Pikachu. Mareep. Meowth. Snubble. Bronzer, Lavata, Spoink, Ammonite, Deerling, Burmy, Tuckabaru. Cool. Look at that Magmar. That's awesome. Let's set that aside. Nidorino. Porygon. Doduo. Some stuff out of my way. There we go. Rattata. Onyx. And that ring light's just like crazy, isn't it? Machop. There we go. Figure it to the side there. There we go. Alright. Diglett. Sandrew. Coughing. There. Switch this up. Ghastly. No drowsy. Let's look at the other one. Ghastly. Yeah. If I raise it up there, where should we go? Nidorina. So you know what? I might actually take a different strategy with this. I'm actually going to flip through these in a different way. So hold please. We'll be right back. Now, I'm not saying I'm a genius, but we're going to try this out. So, just make sure this is recording. I'll edit this as well. Looks like it's recording. Okay. So I got a webcam on me, hopefully, and then I got a webcam on the cards now. So, now you guys can see without me having to flip the way I was flipping, the flip and flip. So, here we go. Let's keep going. We got And it's probably still best if I do, let's see, like this, maybe. Let's see. Okay, your butts. Bolt toward. Mike. Magikarp. Staryu. Seal. Poliwhirl. Poliwag. Ponyta. Let's see if we can do this even. I'm really trying to test my boundaries here. Let's see what I can get away with. Doesn't look bad. There we go. Okay. Pikachu. Growlithe. Vulpix. Charmeleon. Charmander. Tangela. Weedle. Metapod. Caterpie. Eevee. Chansey. Farfetch'd. Jigglypuff. Clefairy. Cubone. Graveler. Geodude. Coughing. Ekans. Voltorb. Pikachu. Magikarp. Staryu. Slowpoke. Psyduck. Charmeleon, that's a really cool one. Charmander. Scyther. Paris. Metapod. Caterpie. And then looks like a bunch of energy. Oh, okay. Ordinary Rod. Parallel City. Giovanni's Exile. Misty's Termination. Cirilla. Lana. Protown. Weakness Policy. Dimension Valley. Sail Fossil. Protection Cube. So pretty cool so far. Pretty cool. We'll try that. Alright. So that was pack 1 of 500. Yeah. I now own like 4,000 Pokemon cards. It's crazy. Alright. Pack number 2. This says UB on it. I don't know what these mean. UB, miscellaneous 1, miscellaneous 2. Or mix 1, mix 2. I don't know what any of that means. SymBrad 1, SymBrad 2. SymBrad 1, SymBrad 2. Let's see. Alright. Let's go with the second stack here. See what these are. Rangaroo. Oh, that's nice. Pipic. Mimikyu. Ivysaur. Rattata. Pancham. Espurr. Skorupi. Electabuzz. Ooh, Lapras. Shieldar. Slowpoke. Arcanine. Growlithe. Porygon. Quagmire. La Vesta, Combe, Ariodos, Adish, Fletchling, Pidove, Swablu, Tylo, Meowth, Spearow, Shelgon, some of these I've never heard of, Bagon, Inkay, Eevee, Farfetch'd, Clefairy, Ekans, Voltorb, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Caterpie, Happening, never seen that, Porygon 2, Porygon 1, Porygon 1, Lickitung, Doduo, Fearow, Spearow, Rattata, Togepi, Jigglypuff, Clefairy, Milton, Aron, Inkay, Sandile, Marco, Mischievous, Drowsy, Ghastly, Ekans, Pikachu, Hitmontop, Gliscor, Gligar, Rhyhorn, Geodude, Graveler, Frogadier, Froakie, Krabby, Tentacool, Poliwag, Squirtle, Torracat, Drumara, Robin, Weeping Bell, Venonat, Oddish, some more miscellaneous energies. And look at these. Alright. So, maintenance, Devolution Spray, Ultra Ball, Pokemon Center Lady, Steelix Spirit, Link, Ninja Boy, Claw Fossil, Unidentified Fossil, Max Potion, Hala, Poke Heal, Timer Ball. So, pretty cool so far. Again, if you guys see any of these that are like really rare that I don't even know that they're rare, tell me. Like, I have no idea, right? I'm trying to sort through these like anybody else. So, but I'm sure someone else has a lot more knowledge about them than I do, right? So, on to the next pack. We are 200 in, 300 to go. All right. There we go. Here's that. That. All right. Sylveon, Regice, Reverse Foil, Reverse Hollow Persian, Reverse Hollow Combuskin, Reverse Hollow Choodle, Haunter, Alolan Geodude, Pikachu, Phoebus, whatever that is, Reverse Pig, Skiddo, Siligore, Carablast, Kakuna, oh sweet, Dratini, Klefki, Ponyard, Kamala, Type Null, Orangu, Ingos, Fletchling, Duno, Pidove, Bibarel, Bidoof, Slakoth, Noctowl, Hoot Hoot, Lickitung, Noibat, Dredgian. Never seen that before. That's pretty cool. Aku, another Dratini, Cottony, Scraggy, Sneasel, Grimer, Drilbur, Gibble, Medite, Breloom, Cubone, Onyx, Hoipel, Cosmog, Salandit, Marmini, Honedge, Luna, Scorpy, Drifloon, Stunfisk, Tynamo, Jolkick, Magnemite, Pikachu, Wimpop, Karkoska, Turtuka, Snovel, Finian, Snorlax. That's cool, Lapras. Never seen that one. Pretty neat. And I'm not looking at the abilities, and I don't know the abilities of these guys. I'm just looking at the artwork right now. I'll go back through every one of these later. I guarantee I will. And I'll see what's good. And hopefully you guys tell me what's good when you review the video. Please tell me what's good. Because I don't know. And I'd like to know. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Sorry, let me get myself back in order here. Alright. Carablast, Numel, Magmar, Unsweet, Swaldoon, Sudaddle, Salandit, Fungus, Fomentis, Fletchinder, Shroomish, again miscellaneous. Oh, looks like some older energy. Okay, put that this side. Brock's Pure Seed Gym, Pokemon Communication, Potion, Soda, Burning Scarf, Training Court, Giovanni's, Brock's Grit, Switch, Professor Oak's Setup, and Blues Tactics. So that's 300 in. Let's keep going. Now we're going to go with Mix 1. Yeah, Mix 1. See if this is still recording. Yes, no? Yep, still recording. Great. Okay. Alright, let's check this out. Mr. Mime. Well, that's cool. Hollow Reshiram. Reverse Hollow Meowth. Wormadam. Carbink. Riolu. Larvitar, Kabuto, Diglett, Delusion, Solicus, Spoink, Wheezing, Coughing, Pinnacle, Ammonite, Seal, Finnegan, Deerling, Wormadam, Burmy, Reverse Pig, Curlia, Ralts. Cool looking Haunter. Pikachu. Pinlip. Cheslin. Well, that's interesting. I've never seen one like this. Team Magma's Numel. The little trainer down there. Stuffle. Don't know that. Lilliup. Piranha. Togedemago, Happiny, Firo, Spritzy, Cottonee, Clefairy, Diglett, Carvana, Marcow, Crabwaller, Gligar, Gilligar, Sandshrew, Esper, Stevious, Ekans, Seal, Slowpoke, Litten, Venonat, Oddish, Something, Where, Lunzong, Impidimp, Delay, Trubbish, Coughing, Carkle, Roly-Coly, Metadite, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Corsola, Natu, Toxel, Tangela, Jingmomo, Mankey, Reverse Pig. Carablast, Honedge, Bronzor, Orion, Voltorb. Miscellaneous Energy, I'm not going to show you. Custom Catcher. Never seen that. Cerulean Z Tackle. Sterling Microphone. However you say that. Furry Touch. Minoda. White Lens. Wally. Skyfield. Revive. Quasar. Mega Turbo. Healing Scarf. Okay. That was mix 1. So again, I don't know much about these cards, guys. I really don't. Like, if something's valuable, tell me. If not, I'm gonna spend a lot of time researching. I'm on a low. I know a lot about Pokemon by the time I'm done with this. So, but anyways, the last one. So 400 down, 100 to go. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Okay, here we go. Bronzong, Persian, Starmie. Ooh. Koala. A little Vulpix, looks like reverse. Dramuka, Minonette, Caterpie, Stoffel, Pissimian, Maganola, yeah, whatever that is. Toga, whatever. Wingle, Torracat, Layton, Torkoal, Cast Form, Dalo, Macau, Pancham, Nose Pass, Discore, Discar, Rubbish, Alolan Geodude, Glalie, Alolan Sandshrew, Salandit, and Trump. Hoot Hoot, whatever, Esper, Venipede, Togedemago, Vapor, Alolan Vulpix, Togedemago, Alolan Raichu, Fletchinder, Flabebe, Pangoro, Duskull, Chinchou, Araquid, Slugmoo, Tangela, Bunnelby, Pikachu, whatever, Fletchling, Apom, Zweilous, Dino, Sheldon, Sneasel, Croagunk, Nose Pass, Litwink, whatever, Mareep, Bergmite, Clauncher, DeWatt, Lidio, Chimchar, Ponyta, La Vesta, Seedot, Yanma, Hoppip, Chincho, Chinchino, Minchino, Loudred, Kangaskhan, Cottony, Me Before Work, Jigglypuff, Bronzer, some random energy again, Devoured Field, Metal Frying Pan, Rainbow Brush, Last Chance Potion, Apricorn Maker, Switch Raft, Spell Tag, Lost Splendor, Kahili, Fairy Charm, Faba. So that's it, guys. That's what I got out of this mystery box. So no, I don't know if it's anything too crazy. I haven't seen anything too crazy out of there. It looks like a bunch of maybe commons and uncommons. I'll split them up and do some research. But as you guys are watching this video, if you see anything out of the norm, let me know. Let me know. Respond in the comment section. Let me know if my new tactic works. I just literally thought about it as I was recording, of putting the camera down so you guys can see it instead of me holding every single one up. I can just put them down on the table and let you see them. So let me know if you like them that way too. If you want me to continue to do this, I actually have, I think, another 500 more coming on Monday. So yeah, I don't know why I've gotten like really into this, but I am. So let me know. Let me know. I also have old Magic cards I can go through, or Yu-Gi-Oh cards, whatever you guys think, and see what you guys think. So anyways, be good to one another. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning into my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.